Here's the big challenge of life. You can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are.
4 unbelievably easy tips to be more likable. You will find these 4 simple techniques to be unbelievably easy in improving your likability. Welcome to Olympian Sunrise. Follow this guide for 5 tips, and for the best results, implement one of these strategies after watching this video. Let's jump right in. Number 4. How to compliment while being authentic. There are 2 ways to authentically compliment a person, and the first one isn't what you would typically think. Have you ever heard the expression, imitation is the highest form of flattery? Stop and think about a person you are extremely close with. Don't you have similar opinions about a lot of different topics? Don't you normally laugh at the same type of jokes? Don't you, for the most part, have similar postures when standing, sitting, and talking? This is because you are mirroring each other without even knowing it. Mirroring a person's behavior, posture, words, or hand signals is a big compliment, and a sure way to have them like you. The best part is, they won't even be sure why. Mirroring is a subtle copying of a person's posture, words, facial expression, and hand gestures, unbeknownst to them. This should be done very casually. Try not to bring this to their attention. There is no need to rush to complete. It is the process of mirroring that is so likable. In 2010, behavioral scientist Simone Kuhn and her colleagues confirmed in their neurophysiologist researches at the University of Parma in Italy that when a person is being unknowingly imitated, that person develops positive feelings towards the imitator. The second way to compliment is to find something you authentically like about a person and tell them. It's really that simple. The trick here is that it must be real for you to display all the psychological behaviors necessary to prove authenticity. So be positive and find things you genuinely like about this individual, and tell them with detail why you admire this talent, possession, or skill about them. Number 3. We need to talk about your sense of humor. If you cannot laugh at yourself, you're too uptight. Remember to relax and be positive. It takes a positive person to realize they are already cool and relaxed. And relaxed people laugh and have a good time. Laughing with others makes the relationship feel warm and close. Take it up another level and learn a joke. Put this joke into your arsenal. Who knows, you may need it later in a quiet moment or for a mood change. It does not have to be a Kevin Hart's level of humor. Simplicity is key. It just has to bring a smile on their face. Number 2. Here's what you may not know about listening. People love to talk, but you need to find a subject they're genuinely interested and passionate about to get them talking. If you ask the right questions, you're leading the conversation, and they will have the best time when they're around you, because they really received an opportunity to talk. Here is a perfect tool. To have conversations with new people, and people you do not know well, you must form them. FORM. F stands for family. Ask about their kids, their parents, their spouse. I am sure they have a small story about what they did together recently. That will get them talking. O stands for occupation. Ask about their work. Find out what they do there. What's their position and how they got it. Most importantly, if they like it. If they don't like it, it will be a perfect segue for R stands for recreation. What do they do for fun? Do they play sports or watch sports? Are they into exercise? Are they a TV watcher? If so, find out about their favorite shows. This topic is supposed to be fun and lighthearted. M stands for motivation. What motivates them? What do they do and why do they do it? Is it for family? Is it for money? What does their future look like? What would they like to accomplish in the next 1, 2, or 5 years? Listening is a game changer, because for you to be interesting, you must first be interested in them. Number 1. You're missing out if you're not being yourself. And of course, I'm talking about your attitude. Attitude is everything. The simple fact is, you cannot control what others say. You can only control the words you say. Speak about positive topics. Speak positive of others. Be jovial and with a smile. James Allen once said, "To think well of all, to be cheerful with all, to patiently learn to find the good in all. Such unselfish thoughts are the very portals of heaven." Everyone loves to be around optimistic people. Stay humble. All good attributes stem from humility. People want to be around you because they see something in you that reminds them of their best self. That one thing is humility. Keep these two things in mind and you can't lose. Being yourself is what makes you unique and unlike anyone else. Let us know in the comments what your favorite technique is and which one you'll be using today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You might also enjoy this video on gratitude, so check it out. Until next time, Dream Achievers.